Assalamualaikum. How are you all? This is Hafiza Fatma, your general science teacher for level 1. Today we will start our third chapter, that is chapter number 6, materials and objects. First come towards what are materials. Materials are the mixture of substances which constitute an object. It can be pure or impure, but we will study the classification of materials. The first one is man-made materials. Man-made materials are those materials which are made by humans by using the natural materials that are known as man-made material. For example, glass, plastic. Glass is made from natural sand while plastic is made from natural oil. You can see that in our surrounding we have a lot of things that are made up of plastics. So they are called man-made materials. Now, second is natural materials. Natural materials are those materials which are present naturally in the environment. For example, we have plants, we have animals, and under the ground. Just like here you see that air, water, soil, trees, coal, minerals, wildlife, all these things are present naturally in the environment. That's why we call them as natural materials. Now, what are objects? Anything which is made up of one or more substances, one or more materials are called objects. Objects are classified on the basis of size and shape. We have different sizes and shape of an object. We have textures. The objects are also classified on the basis of texture. Texture means how an object surface feels when you touch them, right? So some are shiny, some are soft, some are spongy, some are hard. Objects are also classified on the basis of their weights. You can see that some are lighter in weight and some are heavier in weight, just like CD, car, nail and hammer. Now here you can see that a plastic bottle, a tissue box and a glass bottle and some books. Are these things made up of same materials? Of course not. It is obvious that these things are made up of different type of materials like plastic, like glass, paper. Are they of same size and shape? No. Everything is made up of different kind of materials. Now look around yourself. You will see a lot of things. Some are different in size, some are colorful, some are living things and some are non-living things. So we put these things in groups according to their size, big or small, according to their shapes, circle, rectangle, square, just like this square wall clock, and triangular. Now we will see how objects are classified on the basis of their texture. Rough, as this mat, smooth, like this slide, hard, like a wooden bar, soft, just like these soft curtains. Now we will see the classification on the basis of weights. Some are heavier, as this is a sewing machine, it is heavier in weight, and some are light, as this sunglasses. Now buildings. What are buildings? Buildings are a type of structure which are made by bricks. We made buildings out of bricks. We can't make a building out of a cardboard, right? Buildings can be home, it can be a schools, it can be hospitals, it can be office building, right? So all these things are made up of different kind of materials. The material used in making of these buildings, in the construction of these buildings, that can be tiles, sand, cement, wood, anything, right? So different kinds of materials are used to make building. Now this is the picture of a classroom. Here you can see a lot of things. There are board, chair, books and window. Now we will see with how these things are made up of. Boat can be made up of wood, cement and plastic, while chairs made up of wood and metal. Books are made up of paper and window is made up of glass. In this slide you can see that natural materials. Natural materials are those materials which are present naturally in the environment, which occurs naturally, right? So you can see that there are trees, there are plants, there are flowers, there are mountains, there are water, there is air. All these things are present naturally in the environment. That's why we call them as natural materials. Now, man-made materials. Man-made materials are made by humans using the natural resources, and we call them as man-made material. Just like this plastic mug, steel, rubber, synthetic rubber can make the tire and other rubber material things. Glass and paper. We use different things to make these things by using our natural resources. Now we will discuss the using materials and as a natural sources. Some plants, we use natural sources to make a man-made thing. For example, first one we will see plants. How we will cloth and wood. We make things out of cloth and wood and you make them into different things. Wood is used to make pencils, wood is used to make furniture, doors, wooden things. All wooden things, furniture, doors are made out of wood, and wood comes from plant. And plant is a natural source, natural material. Animals, how we use animals? We use to make shoes and jackets. Shoes and jackets are made up of leather, and leather comes from the skin of animal. Under the ground, from under the ground we get coal, gold, silver and iron, different kind of materials, graphite, lead. All these minerals comes from under the ground, and we use these materials to make some other things we like, such as jewelry made up of gold, silver and from precious stones. Utensils are also made up of plastics, and some are made up of clay, and some are also made up of glass. Glass is used to make mirror, wall mirror, bathroom mirror, and it is also used to make glasses, cups, etc. Here is a picture of 3 spoons. All these 3 spoons are made up of different kind of materials. And these some are made up of metal, some are made up of wood, and some are made up of plastic. As you know that all these things are natural things and man-made things. Here you can see that wood is natural, while this metal and plastic is man-made things. Plastic is made from the natural oil, while the glass is made from natural sand. Your homework is do reading of the whole chapter number 6 and do question number 4 on book page number 61. Here is question number 4, which says that some objects are soft, some are hard. Some draw a green circle around those that are soft and a red circle around those that are hard. Right? So this is your homework. You have to do this on your book. Thank you.